Soda. Look at mommy. Wave your little spoon at mommy. Ava.
Hi, Ava. You stirring?
Hi.
You're being
You
very
stirring
helpful.
with Daddy? You making the risotto?
Stir very fast.
Oh, so.
You're right, we missed one.
Sodo. It was a Zodo.
All right, honey. I'm going to put you down because you're very heavy. Thank you for helping me. You still want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to have to switch arms though because you're very heavy these days. All right, there you go. There's yours. Stir, stir. Stir, stir. No, it's not ready yet. Oh, no, we have to stir it in the pot, Ava. It has to stay in the pot.
No, no, no. Too hot, sweetheart. We're going to have some after it's done, okay? Mm-hmm.
We have to, but they all have to stay together, Ava. They're like a little family. They have to stay together. Okay. All right. Too heavy, Ava.